Instagram has evolved completely in the past few years. It has changed some features to make it more optimized for creators and other people. In today's video, we're going to look at top 10 Instagram features that will help you more in using this app. Number 10. Mute accounts. You can mute accounts if you do not wish to unfollow it and also don't really like seeing them on your feed. Click on the three dots on the upper right hand corner of the post and then select the options of hide. A prompt will appear with the options to mute account. You can mute posts and stories too. You can also mute someone by pressing on their story, clicking on mute, and choosing either posts or stories that you want to be muted. Well, you can also go to the profile of the account you wish to mute, then tap on the following button and choose the options of mute posts, stories, or anything you want. Number 9. Get notifications of specific accounts posts. If you want to keep an eye on specific accounts, then you can stay updated by turning on notifications so that you learn when they post something. Go to the profile of the account, click on the bell icon in the upper right hand corner, turn on notifications for posts, stories, reels, videos, or live videos. Number 8. Check and limit your time on Instagram. It can be easy to lose your time by scrolling through an Instagram feed, but you can also limit this by setting a daily timer. Tap on the 3-line icon on your profile. Select your activity to see how much average time you spend on Instagram. Then tap on time spent. Select set daily time limit and choose from 15 minutes to 2 hours. Number 7. Create collections. You can create collections of posts for any category of your options for future reference. Find the bookmark icon at the bottom right of a post. Click on it to automatically save the post to your general collection. Build custom collections by tapping the plus icon and labeling a new collection, or add the chosen post to a prevailing collection. To see recently saved posts, you can also click on the 3-line icon on your profile and tap Saved. Number 6. Manage your tag pictures. You can also decide which posts that tag you can appear in your profile. Go to the Persons in a Box icon present on your profile to see photos you're tagged in. Choose the photo you want removed. Tap the 3 dots icon in the upper right hand corner and select Post Options. Choose Hide from my profile to remain tagged but remove it from your feed. Or tap on Remove me from post to remove the tag completely. Number 5. Delete a specific photo in a carousel. There's a fresh way to delete specific pictures from a carousel post. You don't have to delete the whole carousel post anymore because of the new Instagram update. Choose the carousel post you wish to edit. Tap on the 3 dots on the top right corner and swipe to the particular photos that you wish to delete. A trash icon will then appear on the top left corner, which will allow you to delete the selected photo. Number 4. Restrict comments of your followers. With this feature, you can also allow only your followers or people that you follow to comment on your posts. Click on the 3 lines on the upper right hand corner of your profile. Go to Privacy and tap Comments. Select Allow Comments From and choose the group you prefer. If you want to turn off comments totally on a post, you can disable comments by tapping on the 3 dots on the upper right hand corner by selecting Turn Off Commenting. Number 3. Create Saved Replies. You can save a longer reply by using a single word to save time while engaging with your followers through direct messages. Go to Settings and click Business. Select Save Replies. Type your response. For instance, "Hi, kindly send us your full name, contact number, and address for us to process your order." Save it by using a word that will be your shortcut. For example, customer info can be a shortcut for the above reply. The next time you will type in your shortcut word, the message will be generated automatically. Number 2. Hashtag. You can increase your post visibility by using the most relatable hashtags for your special keyword. Tap on the magnifying glass icon at the dashboard and go into the text column and type in your keyword on the search bar. A list will appear in front of you with the most famous and relevant keywords, along with their usage. You can take hints from those hashtags and use them on your posts. Number 1. Watch active ads run by business profiles. You can try this tool to revisit any ad you've seen in the past, or check up on ads which are being run by your competitors. Tap on the 3 lines on the upper right hand corner of your profile. Choose About This Account and select Active Ads. You can see all the ads that this particular page is running at the moment. With that being said, it's time to end our video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to see more amazing videos like this. Peace out.